we have AC coil, and I always check the coil with the camera. This coil is pretty good. When I do the coil inspection, I also sometimes check the heat exchanger. And here what I found. Up, 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 up. You see? Do you see in this part here we have a crack? Let's put our camera here. I think it will be this one. Yes, yes, it's definitely a crack. Let's make a picture. Oh wow, we have another crack from this also. We have two cracks. This one is also big. But client called us for air conditioner, so let's check AC.